Welcome to AV Cam Corporation, one of India's leading manufacturers of premium elevators, elevator cabins, doors, and elevator components, where innovation, precision, and quality come together under one roof. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is equipped with advanced technology designed to deliver world-class engineering, consistent quality, and faster production for every project. Fully automated bending system delivering perfectly formed panels with remarkable speed, repeatability, and precision. In our welding section, every assembly is built for maximum strength and durability. Our skilled team combines advanced welding techniques with strict quality standards to ensure flawless structural integrity and premium craftsmanship. The journey begins with our extensive stock of premium stainless steel and raw materials, ensuring uninterrupted manufacturing, quick order processing, and reliable delivery schedules for our customers.